Guided transmission media. So what is the purpose of the lowest layer? Physical layer. If 1 0 you are sending, it should go 1 0, that is bits. So transporting bits from one machine to another. So this transmission media or any channel relying on a proper physical cable or wire that you can touch, you can feel, are called guided transmission media. That is, source to destination bits are going, and there has to be some way. The way is cable or wire. So there will be, why we are calling it as guided? Because the signal transmission, they are guided. If there is a proper wire, it is guided by that physical wire or cable. So this guided transmission media, it will be copper cable. It can be in the form of coaxial cable, the twisted pair, or it can be fiber optics. Fiber optics will use glass. We'll talk about the technology behind fiber optics. In coaxial cable and twisted pair, the central is copper cable. It's a very good conductor of the signals and the channel is very good. Bandwidth. There are various characteristics of any channel. For example, bandwidth. So this is nothing but the measure of the carrying capacity of a medium. Assume it to be a pipe. So the mouth of the pipe, the bigger or smaller, that will decide the higher and lower bandwidth. Okay. Now this bandwidth is measured in hertz. That is kilohertz, megahertz, gigahertz. Why we are calling it as hertz? Because here is a very famous German physicist, Heinrich Hertz. On his name, in the honor of great Heinrich Hertz, the bandwidth, you will see hertz, most of the places. Hertz. Okay. So this, along with bandwidth, we will be discussing other things.